Kastro Oia Houses. Kastro Oia Houses. Located in the scenic Oia. Kastro Oia Houses offers cave suites with spacious terraces and hot tubs overlooking the Aegean Sea. It features a restaurant and serves traditional Greek breakfast in the morning. Suites at Kastro Oia are decorated with respect to the Cycladic style, and they all have free Wi-Fi. They come with a flat screen, satellite TV, minibar, fridge and coffee maker, bathrobes, slippers and free toiletries can be found in the bathroom. Guests can enjoy local specialties at the property's a la carte restaurant, while there is also a bar serving snacks and drinks. Kastro Oia Houses. For your best experience, can arrange helicopter trips to nearby islands and private daily cruises. Ammoudi Beach is 500 meters away and Oia Castle is 50 meters away. Santorini Airport is 14 kilometers away, while Atheneos Port is at 17 kilometers. The nearest supermarket is at 500 meters.